Preventing dust buildup in commercial office break rooms starts with a precise, repeatable routine that targets every horizontal surface employees touch. Begin by identifying all reachable horizontal surfaces and treating them as part of your baseline cleaning map. Use a high-quality microfiber rag for dry wiping because microfiber traps particles rather than pushing them around, and launder rags frequently in hot water without fabric softener to preserve electrostatic properties. For greasy or damp residues on appliance tops and outlet covers, follow with a mild pH-neutral cleaner applied to the rag, not sprayed directly, then dry with a clean microfiber to prevent streaking and residue. Establish a written dusting schedule that specifies daily, weekly, and monthly tasks, and assign responsibility so nobody assumes it is someone else's job. Post the schedule where staff can see it and rotate duties to maintain accountability. Inspect for stubborn or long-term buildup at least monthly, using a flashlight to reveal settled dust in corners, under vending machines, and behind appliances. Remove heavy deposits with a soft bristle brush or vacuum using a brush attachment before wiping. Control sources by placing doormats at entrances, encouraging employees to wipe off food debris and crumbs immediately, and keeping trash lids closed to reduce airborne particles. Finally, track improvements by photographing problem areas before and after interventions and adjust frequency if dust returns faster than expected. Common mistakes include neglecting less obvious surfaces like appliance tops and outlet covers, which leads to visible buildup and potential allergen accumulation. So include those items on every pass and use a small brush for outlet crevices. Another issue is over-reliance on sprays that leave films which attract more dust, so always apply cleaners to the rag first and follow with a dry microfiber. A third problem is inconsistent scheduling or unclear responsibility, which results in intermittent attention and worsening conditions. So create a posted schedule with named assignments and a simple checklist to sign off on each task. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors by listing professionals near them and offering user discussions where people share experiences and tips about maintenance tasks like dust control. We also help contractors find work by providing a place to connect with customers and participate in our community discussion boards to demonstrate expertise and win new jobs.